Hello guys, Sergio here. Today I got the app Play and Earn Real Cash by Givvy. It has 16 giveaways which start from 25 cents and up to $1,000. That's pretty impressive. I have joined all of them and you can see how many people joined to get free money. But only one lucky winner will get it. Each of giveaways has its own countdown, and the hours sometimes are messed up. When I open the app, it shows like thousands of hours, which is not right. So I want to see how it all goes. During the next several days, I will be joining these giveaways to check my luck, if I can win anything out of it. While waiting, we can check what other ways to earn coins they are offering. You can play balloon popping games, which gives you 4 coins if you pop 30 balloons. Actually, when you win, you will watch a short ad. That is what they give you 4 coins for, not for the win. Tapping on a balloon with the bomb will end up your game. So we have 6 hearts, which means 6 attempts. After each play, you lose 1 heart. Sometimes after a game they offer you to watch an ad to keep 1 heart. So it is a long ad, about 40 seconds. Quite long. Nowadays world is all about ads, I get it. Another game is puzzle. So they give you time to remember the whole picture and you will have 9 pieces to complete. And actually you will get only 3 coins instead of 4. So they are lying here. Another game is rectangles, where you play with other players. You need to draw lines to get full squares, and you win if you have higher score, obviously. Also, they have survey. They are worrying that less than 10% of the surveys started were completed successfully. Oh yeah, I have tried several of them, and every time in the middle of a survey I got a message: we found a better match, try another survey. But I bet they still collected my answers and sent to the survey owner, and they will get money for this. Another thing that they have is Givvy offers. I tried the first one, download the app. I downloaded Dynamics, and I got 0 coins for that. Oh, totally forgot to tell you about the minimum amount, which is 39 cents that is applied to Coinbase and Amazon. And to get cents you have to convert coins. The rate is 1/30 to 1 cent. They offer a little better rate, 190 coins to 1 cent, if you use their website for converting. So I have tried these giveaways for several days in a row. I have won nothing. Only made money for them by watching ads. I have tried several games and earned 2 cents. I have tried tasks and surveys, it got nothing. So I can say that I cannot prove that this app is fake, since I cannot reach the minimum amount to cash out. It takes huge amount of time. So my overall opinion is that I do not recommend you to spend time on this app.